You guys know I've got some books up here. This is actually a book that's free. Before You Say I Do, Essential Premarital Guide, Save Money, Master Your Finances. And let's see, The Sales Guide, Mastering Targeted Sales. And Unlocking Talent. This is a hiring book, Permissionless Talent. And Permissionless Wealth, How to Build Multiple Businesses at the Same Time. That's something I'm currently doing. So these are the books for sale for those of you who want to get some access but don't have a lot of money. You can get one of these books. So let's get into this video. I now know why Anton Daniels called me a sexual predator. I now understand why Anton Daniels made that video about me. Right now, there's a lot of talk going on about Anton Daniels cheating on his wife, Anton Daniels with his mistress. I actually peeped one of his videos where he was talking about, I'm trying to get some pussy. I'm trying to get some head. Anton Daniels is a married man. He's a married man. Let me go ahead and give you an example. When I married Tressie, all those videos I'm making on Hustlers Kung Fu Black and White, I will never make another video like that again while I'm married. I will not speak in that matter again while I'm married. But I'm single, right? Well, I'm unmarried. I'm not single, but I'm unmarried. And at some point, that talk and stuff has got to go away. I would not be married to Tressie and talking about, I'm trying to get some pussy on a YouTube live. I would not be married to Tressie talking about, I'm trying to get some head. See, Anton Daniels made that video about me because he was jealous as fuck. That's why he made that video. He wanted to do the things I was doing. He wanted to have that kind of power. But since he was a weak little man that married the first woman that broke him off a piece of pussy, he didn't get to experience life. He didn't get to enjoy women like I did. He made that video about me because he was jealous as fuck. Then the lead attorney with his punk ass joined in and they ganged up on me. Rest in peace, Roger Allen Curry. Roger Allen Curry defended me, made a video defending me. I ain't breaking any laws. I ain't raping anyone. But these weak, jealous. So Anton Daniels, he went ahead and fooled a lot of y'all. People thought he was the greatest thing since sliced bread. Oh, Anton's. I'm with Anton's against Glenn and Cameron. Oh, Glenn and Cameron's a sexual predator. You motherfuckers don't even know what the FBI definition of a sexual predator. But once again, I put this post up 2 months ago that Anton Daniels would cheat on his wife. How do I know? Let me break it off for you. A man that has never freedom and money, married, doesn't matter. This man will act upon those impulses. And I predicted that Anton, well, he probably was doing it even before I made the prediction. I said he was going to cheat on his wife. You can go back to my post and check it. It's 2 months ago. I actually said he was going to do this. Because this is one of the things Roger Curry and I had. When you're a man that's dated a lot of women, had a lot of sex, enjoyed yourself, when you settle into a long-term relationship, you have no need to cheat because you know what's out there. You don't have to. Don't want to. Ain't even thinking about it. You know, right now she's got a project that takes up her time. You know what I do? I dug into my work. I created a new course. I wrote some books. That's what I did. Instead of going out looking for some new pussy. But Anton Daniels he's fucking weak. And this is why the internet circled him. Let's talk about the dumbass nurse. The nurse that looked up to Anton, wanted to be like Anton. I gave this fool a concrete plan to make millions, and he ignored it. He ignored it because he ignored it. There was a guy who was doing storage auctions, talking about Anton Daniels training helped me. Motherfucker, I wrote a book about storage auctions. How the fuck could someone help you do storage auctions better when I, who've written a book, multiple books about storage auctions, you didn't even. And let's talk about the sexual justification. One of the things that most of you have not seen is a black man with power. And that's what you like. That's vulgar. You're not used to seeing someone like me. You're not seeing someone speak like me, act like me. I have a video on my other channel, bank account, one of my business bank accounts. That bank account had almost $30,000 go in there last month. I'm showing you proof of receipts, but you dumb motherfuckers want to go for a motherfucker wearing a robe, talking shit, talking about the black community ain't shit, because you're suckers. But that's why that motherfucker actually saw the video with him talking about, I'm about to get some pussy. I'm like, I thought you were a married man. I thought you were all about doing it the right way, representing yourself, being a good version of the man that your daughter would want to marry. You know what you sound like? One of these broke internet punks out here who can't get the put. Oh, I'm about to go somewhere. Rita, if you're watching this, this is no disrespect for you. None whatsoever. But Rita is not the woman that Anton Daniels really wanted. She's the first one that slid him some pussy, and he got hooked, and he married her. But I have a good friend, and we used to have this conversation. My friend's worth about 100 million, and we had this conversation several times. Money does not make you a better person. Money exposes who you really are. Let's look at my activities. I had money. What did I do? I created free courses to help people. I gave away free courses. I tried to help people. I got on the phone. I tried to help people. Anton Daniels, he get money? Cheating on his wife, lying to his community, acting like a fuckboy. Money will expose who you really are. And we're seeing who Anton Daniels really is. I mean, and this whole notion of these women, like, I find it to be very sad that a lot, and I want to say salute to the folks who defended me during that time period. There was a lot of them. The lead attorney was like, I can't understand why. Motherfucker, because I was fucking real. And your stupid ass fell for a fake ass motherfucker and set me up. Lead attorney, lead ass dummy. That's what you are. So that's why he made the video. Not because I was a sexual predator. This motherfucker was jealous. This motherfucker couldn't understand. He's like, he don't look like no pretty boy fly. And this motherfucker made this video because deep inside, he was jealous of all the pussy I've had, all the women I've been with. And now he's trying to do it on his own terms. Now, once again, no disrespect to Rita. I don't know the woman. I don't know their dynamics, but I can say that when a man who is married to a woman that is not his first choice, the soonest the opportunity for him to cheat with a woman that is in the lane of his first choice, he will. Go ahead and look. There's tons and tons of videos about Anton Daniels cheating on his wife. Tons of them. Tons of them. So how all these people now feel that, oh, he's cheating on his wife, but years ago felt he was the best thing since sliced bread. Now, this will be my last video about Anton Daniels. I'm going to tell you why. I got some goals, complex, which means I need more money. So I'm in the process of building businesses to get more money. So I'm not going to be talking about Anton. I'm not going to be talking about the lead attorney. I'm not going to be talking to all these weak, sorry videos about me because I'm fucking great. I've done shit that they can only dream about. I've written 20 books. I've started multiple businesses. I made millions of fucking dollars. And all they could do, because they, and once again, one of my friends is worth 100 million. We had a deep, deep conversation. He smoked cigars and stuff, and he was just like, he was talking about this lesson. This guy was a great guy, but he saw what money did to this, how money exposed who this guy was. And this, my friend, he had a $1.5 million salary. And once he saw who, he walked in and he rendered his resignation. He said, I could not work with someone like that at 1.5 million. Money did not define my friend. Money did not make him. And he went on to start his own business, a lot more money, because he had character and connections. But right now, you're getting to see who Anton Daniels really is. And this is one of the things. I told you who he was 4 years ago, and no one believed me. Now, everyone, O'Shea Duke Daniels is making like a video about Anton Daniels every day. There's tons and tons of people making videos. Now, when that was the prize, talk about he was the greatest thing on earth, and a lot of people sat it up to him to be on this show and everything. But now you're seeing who he really is, a jealous little boy. That's who he really is. Behavior. Several videos where I tell you I love my woman. Several videos where I'm complimenting my woman. Several videos where I'm propping her up. Is Anton Daniels doing that for Rita? I think so. He too busy out here trying to get some pussy. Like a little boy. Like a little punk bitch. But once again, all of y'all was like Anton Daniels. And this nurse has mental issues. Internet fame. People are on that internet tip. Once again, they're trying to actually create this situation where they want to make Anton to be greater than he. Sorry ass fuckboy that has a lot of YouTube money. Now, here's the thing. At some point, that's going to fade. I want you to go. How many of them are still around? 99% of them are gone because they faded out. And at some point, Anton will fade out. And I hopefully he's stacking his money. I think he's buying houses, paying cash for them. So that's going to provide a cushion for him. But I said this. If Rita ever cheated on him, he would kill her. Because he's a cluster B narcissist. Once again, all y'all was on Team Anton. Now, the majority of the internet, well, I'm not going to say the majority of the internet because a lot of people still. Once again, I told you who Anton Daniels was 4 years ago, and no one believed me because y'all wanted to believe in some bullshit. Bullshit.